Welcome to Heaksunk Drakon, here be dragons. So, the biggest question on Google about PCs is how to do a screenshot. Well, this is pretty simple. You look down your keyboard, on the top row near the insert home keys, you'll find a button at the top marked print screen or PRTSC or PRNTSCRN or a bunch of different variations. This is the screen capture button. If you have like a Logitech keyboard, you might see something instead like a camera over here. And if you have a really tiny mini keyboard, if you look really closely, somewhere you'll find a button that says PRTSC, like print screen. You will have to press the function button, then that button, in order to do a screen capture. Now, when you do press the print screen, one of two things might happen. One, nothing. In that case, you have to take some extra actions. Or two, you might open up the snipping tool if you are in Windows 11. When that happens, you have the option to just click and take a full screen. You can do a window, or you can just choose a triangle. You click on a triangle, you come over here, you draw out your triangle, and you let go, boom, and here it is. You click here, and you can, well, do minor edits. Should nothing happen, well, you're on an older version of Windows. When you hit your print screen, you can also hit Ctrl+Print to do an entire screenshot of the whole screen, or Ctrl+Alt+Print to do just a window. After you hit that, nothing appears to happen. So you need to go in and open up your imaging program, be that Paint, Photoshop, etc. And then once you're in there, you want to hit Ctrl+V to paste in your image. And there you go. You can then save it from here, edit it, do whatever you want. It's that simple. Now, should you be typing away in your YouTube comments, writing out a long comment, and something happens, oh no, don't worry. You can hit Ctrl+Z and undo it. Saved. Now, if the app you're using locks up, you can hit Ctrl+Shift+Escape and open up your task manager and look for that application that's just not working right, or any applications that just shouldn't be there. You can then right-click on them and close them. Anyways, I hope that helps you. Have a good day.